So finally, Apple has released their iPhone 16 series. And in this video, we are going to compare the iPhone 16 Pro Max with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So first up, let's talk about the price of the both phones. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with a $1,200. On the other side, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a $1,300, so in the term of price, iPhone cost you $100, cheaper than these 24 Ultra. Now let's talk about the design of both phones. Samsung has decided to use the same design in these 24 Ultra, which he used in the S23 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra have a super squarish, ultra boxy edge design, which is very premium, and if we talking about the design of the iPhone. Apple has also used the same design in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which he used in the 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with a rounded design, and the new addition of the camera control button. With this button, you can basically control your zoom change, different modes, take photos and videos instantly, and you can use this camera control button with third-party apps like Snapchat. Now let's talk about the display. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a 2,600 nits of peak brightness, and Samsung offer a much cleaner, whole bunch design. Of course, the ugliness of Dynamic Island brings some cool, softer UI features, which are done very cleverly. And if we talking about the iPhone 16 Pro Max come with a 2,000 nits of peak brightness, and in the iPhone, you have a record-breaking bezels. Now let's talk about the chipset of the phones. iPhone 16 Pro Max come with an Apple A18 Pro chip, and this chip is almost 20% powerful compared to last generation when it comes to GPU and CPU. And if we talking about the Samsung, the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is still very powerful. Apple may have the lead when it comes to CPU numbers, but when it comes to GPU, both phones should be on par the difference. Now let's talk about the camera. iPhone 16 Pro Max come with a 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, giving you more resolution and has about 2 times better low-light performance compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max ultra-wide-angle lens. And if we talking about the S24 Ultra camera, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a 48 megapixel camera. With the help of the S24 Ultra, you can shoot 24 megapixel by default, so you're going to see more detail compared to Samsung's default 12 megapixel shots, while both phones have 5x telephoto zoom. Now let's talk about AI. Both phones have AI features, but Apple's intelligence is not available in Europe. Samsung offers Galaxy AI features globally. Now let's talk about battery. S24 Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 4,600 milliamp hour battery. But with efficiency gains from the new 3nm Apple 18 Pro chip, it might have better battery life. So if you like my video,